In this video, we're going to learn about downloading and adjusting sharing permissions for screencasts recorded in Loom. So first thing you'll need to do is go to loom.com and you'll see any videos that you've created. Now, we've talked about before creating folders to house collections of videos and even shared folders. So that way, instead of just providing a link to this Loom video, you can provide a link to a folder of videos that might be helpful to your students or to staff members. But now we're going to talk about the other side of being able to share, which is downloading the video in case, let's say, you wanted to embed it in a Google site, for instance, or maybe you just want to send the video very quickly to someone without having them go through Loom to do it. Maybe you just want to share it in a Google Drive folder. So to do that, like I said, you'll come to loom.com. You'll see your videos. Now I'm going to go ahead and let's say I'm going to select this video here. So I'm going to open that video, and then right here next to my title, there are a collection of 4 buttons, and this very first one says download. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it'll take a second for it to download. It gives you its little blue indicator here. Once that's done, it'll appear if you have your download bar showing, you'll see it appear in the download bar. But if I go back to Google Drive now for different presentations or putting this into a website, it might be easier for me to access this from Google Drive. So I have a video folder for anything from Loom that I've created. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to add this new video to that folder, and you'll see it's downloading. I'm going to go ahead and open up that folder. Now, when this has finished downloading, it will appear in this folder. While we are waiting for that to finish downloading, we're going to begin talking about the next piece of this, which is making sure that any video that we've downloaded and we're going to send out to people, we want them to be able to see it. So to ensure that, we need to adjust our sharing settings. And instead of doing that for every single individual file we add to this video folder, I'm going to change the share settings for the whole folder. So when I access the share settings for the folder, I'm going to, instead of changing anything here for specific groups or people, I'm going to go down to Get Link, and I'm going to change this link. So right now it says anyone within my district. I want to make this anyone with the link. So anyone who gets this link, no matter if they're signed in with maybe my district domain or not, they'd still be able to watch this video. I'm going to leave it so they have to view it, and I'm going to click Done. Now you'll notice this little icon has appeared letting me know that this folder has the sharing settings now applied, and the video just added to my folder, and you'll notice it also has that little sharing icon next to it. So when I copy this link and send it to people, or when I add this video to my Google site or to a slide presentation, it will automatically let people view it rather than them having to get permissions adjusted from me through Google or having to go to, say, Loom to watch it. But that's how you download and adjust the sharing settings for videos from Loom.